YouTube, welcome back to another video. Well, I have done this in a vlog context, but sit down video, it's been a minute. So welcome back to an unboxing video actually. And I have the boots right here. We're gonna just jump right into it. These are the Balenciaga Venom high boots in a size IT 42. Now, to be honest, I've been eyeing these boots for well over probably about a year. And one of the things that I didn't like, well, actually, before I say that, let me do some comparison here. So I have this boot here. This is Sanj's boot, and I have gotten so much wear out of these all season. Honestly, in the summer, fall, winter, I've gotten a lot of wear out of this. Actually, a lot in the summer with shorts, which you guys know if you've been following this channel for a while, I love to do is pair a good pair of cargo shorts with some boots. And one of the things that I actually liked about these, which is the reason why I was hesitant about the Venom boots, was the shaft. So Sanj's shaft actually, I feel like, sits perfectly. You know, you can kind of still see the full outfit, and if you're wearing shorts, they look really good with this boot because the shaft sits right underneath your calves, which for me was perfect. Because with the Venom boots, what I didn't like was just like, this is really high, man. This is really high. You always have to have your jeans tucked in. The shorts end up looking like jeans. But I don't know, recently I've been trying them I've been trying them on with various things in my wardrobe, and I'm like, oh man, I actually really love these and they work. So yeah, and I really love the shaft here, the way it kind of just folds in front like this, kind of looks really cool. And surprisingly, by the way, so I posted these on my Instagram and someone was like, oh man, those must be so heavy. And I'm like, guys, you would be so surprised as to how light these are. You know, they're extremely light. They're a size IT 42, like I mentioned. And you know what? I'm gonna show you guys a few ways that I would style these. So let's just jump right into it. Okay, so outfit number one, we would have something simple like this. This is just a simple summer fit. If you want to wear your boots during the summer, pairing them with a pair of shorts like these would work perfectly well. You have the boots, the shorts, a simple black tank top, and this crossover bag by Vivienne Westwood, which I like very much. I pulled it from work. And then on the accessories, so as you guys know, in the summer you dress down, you know, you don't layer as much. So best bet is to get you some accessories. So for me, my go-tos are always these sterling silver bracelets by Emmanuel Picocci, some rings, and the shades, good pair of shades, and got the necklaces here. And that would be pretty much the first fit. Like, it's just very simple. I'm still very comfortable, and like I said, these boots are extremely light, so pretty easy to wear in the summer. Let's move on. So for the second outfit, let's start with the belt. The belt is by Vaquera, vintage black belt with this beautiful sterling silver buckle. Really like this belt. I've been wearing it a lot this summer, and just because of its simplicity and sterling silver detail, really like it. I like this detail here too. And then on the bracelets, same as usual, Emmanuel Picocci, and some rings that I've had for what, 6-7 years now, and black shades, keeping it pretty simple. On the top, we have this t-shirt by Pali. This is a size XL. I really like wearing this t-shirt in the summer because very light con, super breathable. And what I like to do actually is tuck it in a little bit just to kind of showcase the belt. Now, I usually have my pin. You know what? Let me actually throw it on. There you go. This is the pin that you guys see me wear all the time. I don't know. I find it just kind of adds like a nice accessory touch to the outfit, you know? And goddamn, look at these cargos, man. These cargos are absolutely insane. Love them. tuck them into the boot just to kind of showcase the boot once again. And this would be the second look. Very simple. Now if you want, you could add a bag, but I think the outfit stands out really well. And I actually think that the boots don't take all the attention from the outfit. Like, you can kind of still see the breakdown of the outfit just because there's a lot of colors, and the cargo trousers are also pretty sick, tucked into the boot. So that's the second outfit. Let me know what you guys think. And actually, you know what, if you wanted, like, let's say, you know, fall weather, you wanted to add a layer, let's go ahead and add a layer. All right, so you know what, I'm gonna put the pin here. I think it kind of looks better. Pretty light, the sweatshirt, so you know, maybe let's say a summer evening, if you're heading out and you're gonna be sitting outside maybe for dinner, it might be a little bit chilly, throw this on. This would pretty much be a good sort of outfit for that transitional weather, maybe, you know, if it's kind of hot during the day and maybe it gets a little cold in the evening, just bring the sweater with you. I kind of like the exaggerated collar of this jacket, you know, kind of looks really good, covers your neck, gives it a little bit more of a stylish look. And that's it, that's the outfit. Let me know what you guys think. I really like how this outfit flows, you know. I think, like I said, the boots don't take away the attention from the outfit. The cargo pants are actually insane. I don't even know what I prefer, if I prefer the cargos or the boots, but both look sick. And that is it. I think that is going to conclude the video. Thank you guys so much. If you did like it, please double tap. It helps the channel tremendously, and I'll see you guys in my weekly diaries soon. Peace.